In today's world, attention is currency. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or even an employee, your personal brand is the digital first impression that speaks before you do. Having a personal brand isn't about being famous. It's about being findable, making sure the right people know who you are, what you do, and what you stand for. Your brand builds trust when you're not in the room. It's the stories, ideas, and values that people associate with your name. Think about it. Opportunities flow to those who are visible. The clients, partnerships, and audiences you want are already searching for someone like you. A strong personal brand makes sure they find you first. And the best part? You don't need to fake it. The most powerful brands are built on authenticity. On showing up consistently, sharing your journey, and speaking from experience. In 2026, your online presence isn't optional. It's your portfolio, your business card, and your gateway to freedom. So if you want to grow your side hustle, attract clients, or simply open new doors, start building your personal brand today. Because if you don't tell your story, someone else will.